And we're gonna go over to IKEA to look at some of these boxes to ship some of these products we've been putting together. Should be good. I'm excited. I'm a little tired today, but anyway, Dad's behind me. Say hey. I know you see what I was doing. You know, my only memory of W.C. Fields from like the past, and this isn't even anything to do with W.C. Fields, The Rocketeer.
The Rocketeer.
Where the guy with the jackass. There's that 20s scene. He's like a 20s guy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, pre-World War II. And it's like a super exaggeration of him, even though he was an exaggerated dude. Where he's walking through the club where, the Jennifer Connelly's character singing or whatever. And he's over there telling jokes to the main bad guy, and he's like, "Easy, WC," and then he goes and dances, and that's like the only thing I could even like remotely relate to. But I think it's cool.
I mean, if you watch any of his old movies, he was around when.
It's been a very interesting day. We got W.C. Field statues going on. We got my sister's coming to go to IKEA. Grandfather's coming. A very not normal day. But
how are you?
I'm good. Good to see you guys.
How are you?
You doing all right? I'm doing good.
Hey.
What doing, man?
How's it going?
Like a strong you go ahead.
Something
I'll
like
call you when we're on the way over.
Okay.
Big
Okay. I'll come eat with us.
Okay.
Well, we'll get it together.
All right, sounds good. Bye. Love that guy.
That's what I'm saying. I bet they were
Sister.
not very pleasant people.
So Lori came in here today to save the day. As you're looking at this stuff, everything's positive. It's all good stuff we're doing. But when people don't read their emails or look into the links you send them, they don't know what they're talking about. So when they refer to something the appropriate way, and you got 1,000 things flying through, it gets confusing and it gets weird. And anyway, it's fine. It's just part of the process. So we're heading over to IKEA. I think it's going to be traffic's going to be terrible, but at least we can look at what we need to look, and it needs to be done, so we'll take the time. Look at this guy. That's how you park? Crazy. I almost hit that dude. My sister's inside already. She made it. Going to check out. Lori's going to be late for her, let's call it her real job, which is nursing. And I'm currently wondering why these buggies turn like this. This is ridiculous. Look at this. All right. Bye, Lori.
We could try to find somebody to print. I say we just send Stan a sticker and say, can you print us some stickers for this round?
We'll figure it out.
But
I mean,
those logos and something.
I like the Hey, puppy puppies! Oh, that was right in. Yeah! Yeah! This whole this thing.
It's called Christmas Pyramid.
So evidently the Germans call it a Christmas pyramid. How do you say in German?
Weihnachtspyramide.
Weihnachtspatamia. Weihnachtspatamida. It's not. That's actually not how you say it. But I'll call it a German windmill Christmas tree.